In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear payload using Qdrant in N8n, step by step. This is a quick and useful workflow action if you want to remove payload data from your vectors, clean up stored metadata, or reset information in your Qdrant collection without rebuilding everything from scratch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical N8n automation guides. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct project and that the workflow you want to edit is available on your canvas. This is important because the changes you make will apply to that specific automation flow. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. On the left side, search for Qdrant or scroll until you find the Qdrant node. Click on it to add it to your workflow. After the node is added, open its settings panel. Here, you need to choose the Clear Payload operation. This is the option that tells N8n to remove payload information from your Qdrant records. Next, configure what you want to clear. Depending on your workflow setup, you may need to define the collection, specify the point or record details, and choose the exact payload scope you want to remove. Double-check the fields you enter so the node targets the correct data. Once everything is configured, save your node and run the workflow to test it. If the setup is correct, Qdrant will clear the payload data based on the values you provided. That's it. You've now learned how to clear payload using Qdrant in N8n. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to for more N8n tutorials.